This video has been sponsored by Got to Be Glued. So you know, not sponsored, not sponsored.
Hey J Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day. As y'all can see, I finished my braids. I just got my hair braided to the back, and then I'm gonna just sew these on. If you would like to see me put my wig on, then I'm going to release another video separate from this on how I apply my frontal wigs. I'm about to put my frontal on. I just tried on the wig and I just feel like it's so thin. Like, let me get all the hair. This is all the hair. And it's 22 inches. I just feel like it's just so freaking thin. Gotta bleach my knots and stuff like that. And I will see y'all when I'm done. It is currently May 10th, 9:47 p.m. And my prom is tomorrow at 8 o'clock p.m. I just got my nails done. This finger messed up, but I just got my nails done. It is pouring rain outside, y'all. Like pouring rain. My family decided to have a cookout when I leave, so that means I still gotta, I cleaned my room yesterday, but I did so much with this wig, it's not the same. And then I gotta clean my bathroom. I gotta finish cleaning downstairs. I gotta clean the basement because I'm having a sleepover after prom. I gotta fix this wig because I'm doing a side part. Let's see. Yo, when I do this side part, I'm gonna be a bad bee. But yeah, when it rains, I be scared. Like, I hate storms. I hate rain. I don't be scared of rain. I'm saying, like, when it be storming, like how it's storming now, that scares me. I don't like that. I accidentally got gel on my finger. I gotta find a way to get it off. Just a little accident from the top coat. Y'all, today has been going so crazy. Everybody's been moving so slow. So slow all day. I left school at 12 something. 12:42. And I'm just getting home at almost 10 o'clock. Like, that's childish. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can, but y'all know vlogging is so hard to me. Like, I just cannot vlog. I don't know. The first thing I do in real life situations is not, I don't think about picking up a camera. So I will make sure, I feel like I look like a witch with this hair. I gotta fix my frontal, see? Oh, it's coming up. I gotta pluck this side some more. But I feel like I look like a witch. That's why I'm gonna do the side part. But yeah, I forget what I was saying. Oh, the first thing, it's not to pick up my camera, so don't blame me if I don't get a lot of footage, but I will try my best. Currently it is 2:14 a.m. so it is the day of prom. I'm just so frustrated with everything right now, and it's not even like stuff is like not going my way. It's just like minor stuff that just make me not want to go no more. but it's all in my head, so I'll try to, you know, I guess forget about it or whatever. But I still gotta finish cleaning my room because people gonna be up here. I gotta clean my bathroom. So yeah, I'm about to set my alarm. Oh, I gotta get my toes done and my eyebrows done early in the morning. My makeup appointment is at 4:30 p.m. So yeah, they open, the nail salon open at 9, so I'm gonna try to go right when they open, get my toes done, they get my eyebrows started, and then, you know, get anything else if we need it. But I will see y'all when I wake up in the morning. Okay, y'all, so I didn't ever come back, but I got my feet done. I just went and got my makeup done. I gotta still do my hair. I gotta still put my frontal down. I really like this face. I'm just brush out the eyebrows a little bit so they can be a little bit lighter in the front, but this is cute. So I'm gonna show y'all me doing my hair, and yeah. Put some hairpins and some hairspray. Oh, I thought that was my wall cover. I could see right there.
Hey y'all.
If y'all feel as though I should.
This video has been sponsored by Got to Be Glued. So you know, not sponsored, not sponsored.
I just got home. Face looking crazy. My eyelash won't come off. All the bad stuff always happens to me. When we first went out, okay, so my prom started at 8 o'clock. My father was supposed to take me. So my uncle parked in front of his car because we had a driveway. It's time for us to go. Everybody getting ready to, you know, leave, saying goodbyes to me, all that so I can go. My uncle's car won't start, so we can't get out the driveway. So we have to wait like 30 minutes for that. And I wanted to get that. Well, I left off at 7. So I just felt as though if I left off at 7, I should have been able to get there on time. But you know, stuff happens. Stuff always happens to me. A lot of other bad, unfortunate stuff happened to me, but I can't remember them. If I do remember, I'll put them down below. So make sure you read the description box. Quick pro tip. If y'all ever having trouble getting your eye makeup off, wipe as much as you can off with a makeup wipe. And then go in with some coconut oil and rub it gently all over your eye, all over your eyebrow. And then like for the mascara and stuff, just take the in-between fingers and go like this. Just to loosen up all the mascara. And then wipe it. When I used to take my makeup off, I only used to use coconut oil and like not makeup wipes. But I feel like it makes it easier because if you do that, it gets all in your eye and stuff, and then you can't see because it's oil in your eye. It just don't work out right. So I like to use a makeup wipe first, get whatever I can off, and then take my coconut oil.